This discussion is about getting a better understanding of martial arts and Chinese medicine. It attempts to summarize 2,000 plus years of knowledge into 5 minutes. Let's start with some context. For women, the Chinese believe that as they age and develop through phases of 7 years. And one of the things that's unique with women compared to men is they experience menstruation or periods, which there is an accumulation and loss of qi and blood every month. Key points in life are 14 on average when the period starts, 28 is when they're at their peak energy, and 49 is on average when menopause starts. With men, they grow and develop in phases of 8 years. And in both men and women, we start off with a very high level of energy and vitality, and at around 30, that level of vitality and energy starts to decline until we die. So with age comes typically stagnation and deficiency. So for men, they tend to peak at around the 32-year mark, and at around between 40 and 50, they start to feel weird pains and issues start to come about due to stagnation. Now let's talk about martial arts. Now, with martial arts, there's a soft part of martial arts or part of the training and a hard part to the training. Martial arts training consists of defense, offense, and forms. Now, I want to stress that forms are very awesome because they can develop the whole mind and body, starting with maximizing oxygen intake, regulating blood and maximizing blood, developing the muscles. And one key thing about forms is they develop the tendons and the ligaments in addition to the muscles, and they can regulate and increase levels of qi energy. They can develop the mind, and the forms are a form of meditation. And in our training, we combine all of these aspects of martial arts training to condition our body and our mind, to enhance our body and our mind, to treat trauma and injury when they occur, and of course, to repair. Now, martial arts and Chinese medicine was originally integrated, but they've been separated as time went on. That is why, in this discussion, we are wrapping acupuncture and herbal medicine around martial arts and the way we live. And the Chinese doctors have devised points and herbal formulas for almost everything. So if we look at the woman, they've developed formulas to regulate the menstruation, to maximize the energy, and to deal with menopause. For men, is to help deal with their special period between 40 and 50 when they develop all sorts of ailments. In martial arts, there are formulas for everything, starting from the muscles to the blood to the mind to the qi energy to conditioning the body to treating injury. For example, for body conditioning, there is a formula called HIT4 wine, which you apply before and after training to condition and strengthen your bones, muscles, and joints. If you've got a stubborn ligament injury, there is a liniment or a lotion called tendon lotion made up of 7 herbs that you can rub into your ligaments to soften them. If your aim is to boost energy and boost your yang, there is a formula consisting of 8 herbs called Yo Gui Wan, and that can be used in conjunction with your training. So what we see is a complete system for the mind and body working with the laws of nature.